In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete your phone number from your Facebook account. Using the same method, you can delete your phone number from all your Meta accounts. To start, I will open my Facebook application. After opening, you have to tap the hamburger menu in the bottom right corner. Then you have to open settings. Here, I will tap settings and privacy. Then either you can tap on the little setting icon or you can tap settings. Then select Meta account option at the top. Then select your phone number or email address. Here select the default contact info. Then you can see your all phone numbers and email address. Then just tap blue color option add or edit contact info. Here select the phone number that you want to delete. Now just tap delete mobile number. Then you can delete your phone number from here. Like you see in the video, just tap on this pop-up window. This is the first method. I will show you alternative method. Here in the main window, select login and security. Now just tap contact info. Here select the phone number. Then you will get the same window. Here just tap delete mobile number. Then in the pop-up window, you can just tap delete. Then sometimes it asks you to re-enter your password or enter verification code. After verifying, you can delete your mobile number like this. Then you will get this message, your mobile number deleted. Then if you go back and check it again, you can't see your mobile number. So if you want to watch the updated tutorial, you can find video links in the description or you can click this end screen videos and come on over. That's it for today's tutorial. See you in the next one. Later!